Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify, step by step, in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check your accounts. Make sure you have an active Shopify store and a Mailchimp account. You'll need admin access to Shopify and a Mailchimp account with full permissions. Step 2. Open Shopify and go to the App Store. Log in to your Shopify admin dashboard, click Apps in the left menu, and select Shopify App Store. Step 3. Search for Mailchimp for Shopify. In the App Store, search for Mailchimp for Shopify or use a third-party connector like ShopSync if the official app is not available. Click Add App and install it. Step 5. Connect your Mailchimp account. Open the app and log in to your Mailchimp account when prompted. Grant the necessary permissions to allow Shopify to sync customer and order data. Step 6. Enable e-commerce tracking. Ensure that purchase and product data from Shopify are being sent to Mailchimp. This allows you to create targeted campaigns and automated workflows based on customer behavior. Step 7. Verify the connection. Go to your Mailchimp dashboard and check that Shopify data, including customers and products, is visible. Test by adding a new customer or placing a test order to confirm syncing works correctly. Your Shopify store is now successfully connected to Mailchimp, enabling automated email marketing and better customer engagement. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more e-commerce and marketing tutorials.